Hey there, Diane from Vermont Lavender, and today I just want to show you how I am shrink wrapping my lotion bars, and these are lavender lotion bars. So what I do is I have all these out right here. These are all, they have the little label, and so I have my little shrink wrap right here, and I just cut it in half. And then I just put it, I make sure it doesn't screw that good, but it's not too bad. I mean, I don't want it tight because if I tighten it up, then the customer won't be able to actually open it. It's really hard, so I have it a little bit loose. So then I just put this right down around it, like so. And I will use my heat gun, and I will shrink all of these at one time. So that's what I like to do. I like to batch everything. So I have quite a few here that I've made for lotion bars. I'll show you what they are. So you can see what they are. This is the violet flower. This is a lavender butter lotion bar. I don't know if I have a star. Maybe not. Yeah, hey, I got lucky. Got a star here. So these are star and violet shapes. And sometimes what I do, if it doesn't, sometimes when you screw this on, it doesn't do it that well. It's very, very loose, and it just like pops off. So I just squeeze it gently to make it so the threads can grasp the other threads and make it so it doesn't like pop off, because we don't want that for the customer. So I'll show you real quick what I do. So I will put all these little shrink wraps on this, and then I will use my heat gun. It's a little tedious. I did this on Sunday. I put the labels on. I know, as a small business, you have to work Sundays. Okay. So this one here, I don't know if you can see it, but this one here I have to, the reason it has that little lotion there is because it's a little bit high. I have to put less in there, I guess. But so I'll squeeze it a little bit so it can just grab the threads right here. Okay, so that's good. So if I tightened it really, really hard, then it just like locks right in. I don't want that for the customer. I don't want it to be hard to open. These all the way to California, so they do go quite a distance. Like this one, see how it's popping off. So I just squeeze it just a little bit. So now it's really, see how loose it is? It doesn't want to grab. So if you have a better way to make these grab on, let me know. Leave a comment. Let's see. Doesn't want to stay on there. Come on. Nope. All right. You have to really put some muscle into it. Okay, so now I want to show you how I shrink wrap. So I have this here, I got my shrink wrap on there, it's all set to go. And so I'm going to turn this on and I will show you that. So I just hit it's a Wagner, it works awesome. And this is on 3, which is it's really too hot. So I'm going to lower it so it's on 2. And that's it. So let me get that in the screen. So I just want to show you that's what it looks like. So it makes it so it's nice and secure, and I'm going to show you a little bit more and a couple others that I do. It's really, really quick. So this is how you turn it off, just with that, and then it has to, what it does is it just cools it down. And the reason I do this again with having, I'll wait for that to stop. Okay, so the reason I do this again is it also makes it tamper resistant. So the customer, it does have a little bit of some little dotted lines like right here. You probably can't see that, but it makes it so it's really easy to just open it up. So you just rip that open like that. But it makes it so it's tamper resistant because I do have a retail shop that I will be putting these in later this year, 2021. So that'll be great, and then my customers can come in and just shop right in the store. So thank you for joining me today, Diane from Vermont Lavender. If you want to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that'd be great, and have an awesome day. Thanks.